In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Canva AI to create AI videos. So I'll drop the link in the description box. You can click on it to sign up and you can use the premium features for 30 days free. Alright, so to begin, I'll click on Canva AI. You can access it from here too by clicking Canva AI right here. So doesn't matter which one. So I'll click on Canva AI. Alright, but there's one thing I would like to advise you on. First of all, let me just X out, and depending on the type of video you want to create, which in this case I would like to create a YouTube video, so the best is to click on the YouTube template, or if you want social media, you just have to find the social media template. So let's say for instance video, then you click on mobile. All right, just so you know, and I can create YouTube video from here too. So thought of establishing that, so I'll click on YouTube. Now from here I'll scroll down and I'll click on Magic Media. All right, so there are so many ways. So next I'll click on videos, and then I'll drop my prompt here. Now before I click generate, whatever I'll create here, it's gonna take 1 credit out of my 50 credits for the month, and this will refresh every month when your plan renews. I'll click generate. It's gonna take 1 to 2 minutes to create this, so I'll pause the video and I'll be right back when it's done. All right, so this is it. It took, trust me, less than 1 minute to do it, so I'll say about 40 seconds. All right, so if you have her and you like what you see, you just click on it. All right, so then it drops it here, then push it up and push it down slowly like this. All right, and if I click on it, see, this is beautiful, and this is 4 seconds. I believe Canva creates up to 4 seconds video right now. It might change, all right, because this type of videos are for b-rolls and stuff, right? But hey, play one more time, and this is it. All right, this looks cool. I'll try and create another one, and I'll click on the plus because I don't want to open a new page, and I will reload this just so I'll get a new page. Click on it. All right, then you click on the new canvas, then scroll down and click on Magic Media again. You know what, to create the second one, instead of clicking here to create it, I'll go to the home page and I'll use this feature. So I'll click on Canva AI and see, it opens this box, but because I want to create a video, I'll click on create a video clip, and then I'll prompt it. So I will say create a 5-second video of a dog eating from a pet bowl in a living room. All right, then I'll click on submit. All right, so it's saying with the prompt box I'm using, which is the Canva AI directly, I can create up to 8-second video. Will you like to go ahead and make your video at 8 seconds? So I'll say yes, and I'll submit, and let's see. So it's thinking and now it's creating it. This is awesome. All right, so this is it, and with this, it didn't say how much of credit it has taken. So let me click on it to view and click. This looks so real, a perfect video result from my prompt. All right, so they would love to know my overall thoughts of AI. Just answer a few short words. I'll say this is awesome. All right, then I'll enter. That's all they want, and they say thanks for sharing your excitement. If you have any tweaks or ideas you want to explore next, just let me know. All right, so I'll go back again to start. All right, so let me go back to the home page, and so I click on it, showing my view I have. So this one I'm gonna delete it. Click on it and delete page, and I'll have only one. Now I'll move back because I want to use something. So now when I click back here to Canva AI and I scroll down, I'll go to see all. So this is my recent chat. So recent chat. So that's how you find your videos in the Canva AI, unlike the other one. So if I click right here, my video is showing. So right, so now I'm gonna like to create this time around social media video. Click video and I'll click on mobile video. All right, then I will scroll down and click on Magic Media. video. All right, then I'll prompt it. So I'll say, let's try human being this time around. Create a 9:16 aspect ratio video of a 20-year-old lady eating an apple while using a laptop. All right, so generate video. All right, so this is it, and as you can tell, it created like a YouTube size video. I don't know why, but let me just drop it in here, and I'll drag and pull. That's the only way out, because let me just squeeze, and always hold these dots to minimize or zoom your videos. Don't use these edges. We're gonna reduce the quality of the video. I want everything to be in frame, including the laptop, but this wouldn't be nice, so I'll push it to the middle, and let me try. All right, so that is if I want it like this, which in most cases that's the way it's supposed to be. Then the writings will be here, and let's say if I'm trying to promote a laptop, I'll type, let's say, sorry, I'll go to test, right, and I'll drop this here. Then I'll type the best back to school laptop. All right, so something like this. All right, or you can just drag it this way, but I want the writing to be the best laptop, so I'll change it, the best laptop or back to school. So I'll go like this, like that, and then I will change the font. So for the font, you click up here, and let's see if I use this one. So something like this, and the background I can change it to, let's say, color. Then let's use this one. See, this is cool. Let's go with this just by the way, and then I'll add effects, and I'll add white effect. Click outside and push it a little bit. You can push all the way to the end. All right, something like this. And if you have captions, which you cannot do here, it's better to do it. So let's say if you have audio, you're gonna add the audio, all right, and your captions will be here. All right, so something like this. So let's see, let me to review, go up here. All right, again, really like this. It's so cool, so simple and straight to the point. All right, so I'll close it. Now to download, you just have to go to share and click download, and just on download, which I don't want to do. And the other one too, I'll close it and I'll show you. Right here to download is the same thing, but before you download, make sure you give it a title. So you click up here and just type marriage anniversary video. So I'll say marriage anniversary video, something simple like this. Then click on share, download, then download it. All right, so to preview, I forgot to show you the preview before you download. So this looks so good. I really like this video, and this is a simple prompt but with elegant and beautiful video. This is so nice. All right, and I show you the one for the dog. I'll go back again and go to Canva AI. Then in the recent videos, I have it right here. So to download, you just go up here, click on download button up here to download it. All right, so this is the end of the tutorial. Please don't forget to comment and subscribe to this channel.